Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Today we're going to talk about the features of a kitchen and the things you can put into a kitchen now that make your life so much easier. So typically in the old days you had two doors and a drawer, if you were lucky you had a drawer, but we go into a lot and there's just not as many features as they have now. So this one has a lot of the features that most people want now. So we'll start here. This is a bank pot and pan drawer. So the pot and pan drawers now are just so great because you can fit so much in them. It's easy to see everything and it's easy to access. So normally people come in, they always want pot and pan drawers, and I'm a big fan for sure. Lazy Susans have came a long way. Remember the old ones that had the stem going through and they were plastic and you lose all the stuff in the back? Not like that anymore. Ours have a fixed panel. So there's basically a fixed panel on the bottom, fixed panel in the middle, and then these turn. And they roll nicely. It's easy to see everything. They go back typically to where you want them after you're finished, and it's a much nicer feature now, so don't be afraid to put a Lazy Susan in. Spice pullouts, we talk about these all the time. If you're doing a kitchen, buy a spice pullout. This thing houses all that stuff and you don't have that little 8-inch cabinet where you're trying to find that garlic that is way at the back, so you got to pull everything out to get the one piece you need. And bank of 4, again, just for all the things you have. You may have a little hammer and nails and stuff that you need. Your utensils, obviously, your knives and forks, and then your big utensils. Garbage can. What a great idea. Little garbage can, isn't that perfect? You have a place to put it. You can get them 2 as well, so one in the back for recycling, one in the front for your garbage, and then obviously your sink base and dishwasher. So it gives you a great idea on your next kitchen rental.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.